black color. Another black color, guys. At napat yan, yung ating likuran. And guys, I really love black color. And guys,
Oh my God.
Oh no! Model na naman ako, guys. Oh. Ayan. Park na park. Iyan ang natin yung bag na to, guys.
God.
Mas makaganda. Tara! Guys. O, diba? I really love it. Guys. That's it for today. That's guys. Ayan o. I really love it. Parang napakyan. I want to show you my
Wow.
bikinis. And guys,
Oh no!
I really love it. And guys, parang napakyan siya, guys. Three pieces to siya, guys. And then, next natin is
God.
black siya, guys. Ayan o. I really love it. Parang napakyan. Look guys, I have a crop top here. Ayan, ito yung aking isusukat ngayon guys. Yung ating crop top na nabili ko lang siya for only 30 pesos. 30 pesos guys, ayan. Ayan, ang kanyang tatak guys is BNY. BNY siya guys. Ayan o. Ang ganda naman talaga nito guys. So, I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. Yung aking isusukat na crop top ngayon. For only 30 pesos. Ayan. So, ayan. Isusukat ko na siya guys. I really love this. Ayan. Ito yung mga nabili ko guys. Nabagsak presyo na siya. For only 30 pesos. 30 pesos lang siya guys. I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack. Tcharan! So, this is it guys. Yung aking crop top. Ayan. Medyo masikip lang siya guys. Ayan. Medyo. Tcharan! So, ito na guys, yung aking nabiling crop top for only 30 pesos. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Ang ganda niya. Pang rampa. Pack na pack. Ayan. Parang nag-slim na ako guys. Ayan. Wow! Ayan. Pack. Ayan. I really love it for only 30 pesos guys.